We have so many people like myself grow up not knowing anything about a computer, never had any relationship with a computer, and they want to be IT guys.
Right.
How will you take them from that level into an IT professional?
I've had situation where people call me for such a question, asking because they don't know the direction to head to. First, let me demystify the term information technology.
Okay.
Because information technology is a broad term. For an IT system to work the way it works, there are many people involved in the back end. We have the network engineers that deals with the switches and the routers, that run cables, those are the network engineers. We have the hardware engineers who are also dealing with the physical component of a computer. In the data center where our systems get hosted, they have super machines that are being built in racks.
Okay.
And they mount them in racks. So the hardware engineers will come and mount the physical component and fix the physical part of the machines. And then we'll have the network guys who do the connection and they bring the network stable connectivity in. And they will also have the next folks that will come in to do the system admin work. We'll have the coding operating system administrators, and administrators can be either you're a Linux administrator or you're a Windows administrator. We also have Mac OS operating systems. So some folks specifically choose which domain, either you're a Windows guy or you're a Linux guy.
Okay.
Those are system administration. They deal with the operating system, they configure it, they harden it, they patch it. That's what they do. And they will also have the DBAs that also deal with the database, manage the data that runs behind the application. There are different types of databases. There's Oracle, there's SQL, there's Postgres, there are different types of databases. And then we also have application developers who deals with the code. They run codes, they use continuous integration, continuous deployment platform, which is something we call today, which is where IT is evolving now. We call it DevSecOps. They compile codes using GitLab and GitHub, then run the pipelines and deploy codes into production, which is what users interface with on the internet. So these are all different IT folks. And then you have security that is involved.
The Everyday University Podcast.